going to show how I fix my motorcycle. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my brand new channel and look at my first vlog. And I'm Lifting John, and today, yeah guys, so this is my motorcycle, and what I'm going to do is basically the problem is it's not charged for 1 year. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take out the carburetor and I'm gonna clean it. Hey guys, so I took the carburetor out from my motorcycle, and this is the carburetor of it. Pretty heavy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna deassemble it. I'm just gonna take it out, put it into pieces, and clean it. So first I'm gonna take these two screws right in here, and yeah, let's go on. And yeah, almost there. Pretty hard. Yeah, so finally they just took off. Oh, there's some feeling in here. Okay, let's put it there. So I just want to make sure how it looks. That's good. So we're just gonna take this pin right here. So we're gonna take this screw, the teeny little one, the teeny little guy here. We took it. Good. Put the plastics in our side. And oh, there's a huge amount of dirt in here. As you can see here, there's a lot. We gotta take out then. So wait, I just use a iron screwdriver. First I'll take the main jet. This will be quite easy. Oh, that's left. Wait. Yeah, I gotcha. Yeah, so this is the main jet. And next the pilot jet goes on. That's a good eye. Right here is the pilot jet. Seems like more dirt is in there. Yeah, pretty good. There we have now almost the carburetor is pretty empty. Many fuel got jammed and many dirt is here. It is not good for the carburetor and the motorcycle too. So yeah, to make the thing easy, I'm just gonna get a air pump, so that just flush out the dirt out from it. And I'm just gonna blow air through it because I find more dirt in here. So let's do it. 3, 2, 1. It works. So yeah, there was a teeny little bubbles coming in here. Hope you didn't see it, but yeah, it's really good. And now we are gonna give it back to the carburetor, which is quite the major got stuck in there. And yeah, we're gonna do it. I'm gonna wash the carburetor with the fuel. And yeah, as you see, my carburetor and everything is in here, many dirt. So I'm just gonna put just a little fuel in here. And that's perfect. More than enough. And you need a brush to clean it. And yeah. And right now I'm gonna take out the idle screw. Right here you should be a bit careful. When you do each turn, you have to just count the each turn, because this is the idle screw which which puts together air and fuel together and make a combustion. So this is the stuff which makes air and fuel go into the engine and blast off. So you have to be very careful while taking it out, and you have to just check the each count while you rate it. So, and as I'm drawing here, 1, 2, wait, no, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 7 counts. So be careful with that. And you know it's out. Just to the dirty. As you see, it just sparked out. I almost got hurt. As I'm wearing glasses, I'm just safe. So be careful, always wear glasses, always have safety precautions. Yeah, so almost like literally, it almost went inside my eyes, but as I'm wearing glass, I'm safe. So be careful, guys. It's better. Every dirt came out. It's going good. I'm good. Well, yeah, so always, this is actually, I just got here. Almost my eye got gone. Because of this glass, my eyes are safe. So be careful always. And seeing this side is good. I just had some more fuel to it. Coming to the main jet and pilot jet, and these are the important ones. Where this teeny little guy helps the motorcycle in 20 to 50% of throttle. So this is the one which always we use gives fuel when we are in 20 to 50% of throttle. And this big one, and this is the one which gives 50 to 100% of throttle. This is the one gives more fuel. And last time I was driving it, this one almost got This one actually didn't work. Whenever I just give 20 to 40% of throttle, it just get off. So right now we're just gonna clean these two. And yeah, this one is pretty good. As you see, I guess you can see my face. Anyway, there's a hole. But this one, as it's small and there's some dirt inside, so we have to clean it. And yeah, that's the same. Put some fuel in there. Yeah, I'm just gonna put just a teeny bit of fuel. Yeah, I'm almost there. Almost there. Yeah, that's ready. That's okay. Yeah, so we're just gonna brush it, drop it, and everything. Yeah, here is the pump. And we're just gonna flush some dirt from here. Wait, yeah. Get ready, boy. Yeah, it's getting brighter. Hey guys, somehow I managed to clean the pilot jet. Yeah, now it's pretty good. So yeah, I guess it's time to reassemble it and put on a motorcycle. Okay, silver stock and carburetor. And now put it. Oh, come on. Right here. And put it gently into it. And now it's good. Almost there. Yeah, pretty more smoother. And the pilot jet goes now right in here. Grab a screwdriver and tighten as much you can. Yeah, tighten it hard. It should not be loose at all, so be careful. Yeah. Seems it's good. And the main jet. This is the main jet. Oh, I don't want to break it. Just start it. Just gonna put this back. Yeah, just turn this way. No, this way. That's better. And put two screws, which we took, are the main screws basically. Yeah. So yeah, almost done. Here we go. That's good. I guess we almost completed, but not yet. I guess hope you remember the screw with the saddle screw with spring. And oh wait, I forgot to clean it. I finally just cleaned it too. And it just also has to be cleaned. It's not like you have to clean each part of the carburetor, because yeah, each part is a component which undergoes to petrol. So you want to just clean each part of the carburetor. So anyway, we got this much fuel for our motorcycle. Then yeah, just fuel goes right in here. And here's the strap. As I mentioned, I actually took 7 rotation of it. So the same 7 rotation should go forward. I mean clockwise. So 1, 2, wait a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. That's better. So yeah guys, finally the carburetor is done. Everything is well and good, and everything gone well and good. And right now the job is to put the carburetor into the motorcycle and check it out how it works. And yeah. So yeah guys, everything is done, everything is good and well, and right now we are going to put some fuel inside the motorcycle and we're going to start it off. And yeah, let's see what will happen next. And finally I just came out for a ride, and yeah, now the motorcycle is good, it's perfect, it's going on well. And as you can see, my motorcycle is here, and behind there, there's good view. This is what I call views on views.